How's it going, guys? Back with another video on this new YouTube channel. That's true, ones that came from the previous channel, Rap Raptor Sneakers, asking why did your channel disappear? And that's the first thing that I'm gonna clarify right here on this video. My channel got deleted, probably related to the strikes that I had. Also, my TikTok got deleted, so I had a bunch of accounts being deleted, which is very impactful because I was selling a lot. I had a lot of daily visits. You guys were checking all the links that I was promoting. I was promoting like crazy every single day. I had stuff to promote, several different items to promote for you guys, and everything went down. But I still have my links. I still have the links up on my Linktree. Linktree will be on the description as always was. The only thing I want to say is that I don't promote any of the things that I'm showing on my channel. So it means that even if I'm talking about a product or showing you something from a store, it's on your own if you are buying it or not. My content is for educational purposes only. That's the statement that I'm going to present from now on, because previously I didn't do it. So I need to disclaim that every single thing that I show on this channel right here, it's going to be for educational purposes. If you guys want to subscribe, I ask you to do it. That helps a lot so that you are aware of future content, and we will be reviewing stuff like this on this channel from further on. Today what I have is a pair of Kobe's right here. As you guys can see by the box symbol, doesn't make any doubt, you know, it's a freaking Kobe signature right there with the symbol of the Kobe's. And let's open this box. Very beautiful box, very different box. Of course, being a Kobe shoe should be different. We have the Grinches right here. Guys, I know that most of you guys like them. They are probably one of the best basketball shoes nowadays. And of course, being a Kobe, it's a freaking lovely and a freaking nice, remarkable shoe. So let's check them out. This pair has been sent by Stockxshoesvip. Stockxshoesvip. You guys can check them out. The links will be on the description, as I always mention, so that you can reach them if you want. Remember, the content that I'm showing you is for educational purposes, so it's on you, whatever you do with the links that I provide. Beautiful. They are this freaking fluorescent kind of green. As you guys know, of course, you know the Kobe Grinches. If you don't, bro, you are missing out. Grinches because they really look like the Grinch, and everybody knows the Grinch. And I love the fact that the shoe has this kind of texture that kind of avoids slippery. It's kind of a reptile kind of skin on the shoe all over it. It has a simple printed Nike logo on the side. We also have Nike Zoom for the soles, which means the soles are very good. These are actually very legit, very good quality soles, very nice rubber soles. And on the bottoms, I love the bottoms because we have the Kobe symbol right here made of rubber. Very nice quality bottoms. Not speaking about the fact that this is real carbon fiber. It's crazy. It's crazy. This is real carbon fiber, so expect the same experience as the retail on these. Very nice quality shoe. Look at the signature on the back. Very nice, very clean. I love the strong back, which protects your heels meanwhile playing basketball. Quality on this is superb. You guys already know. I always show, and you guys can see by yourselves. If you know the retail, you know that this is quality that we are talking about. And with that being said, guys, I hope that you guys really did like the video. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Very important. We will be back stronger than ever, coming back with new unboxing stuff, showing you this kind of beautiful and amazing stuff on this channel. So if you did support it, we'll be back stronger than ever, bringing you the best quality stuff as we always did. My name is Rap Raptor, and I'll be seeing you on the next one. Peace.